I don't want to do this, but I'm okay with doing it.
Frances Parr says she never imagined having to take legal action to keep her kids safe. But as the new school year approached with Iowa's law banning school districts from making mandates, Parr says she couldn't stay silent because of the Delta variant.
This is not the COVID that we had a year ago in the schools that we successfully managed with masking. It's a different animal altogether.
An injunction was filed this week against Governor Reynolds, also named are the directors of the State Department of Education and Department of Public Health. The injunction asks for an order to require the state to implement a universal mask mandate for schools or to separate people by mask preferences.
So that you have mask students and you have mask teachers that want to be together and do their learning that way.
The Iowa Constitution assures to each child that they would have access to a safe and quality education.
Drake University professor and attorney Denise Hill says Park's attorneys could argue Iowa's law violates a safe, quality education for children. But the state could repeat an argument already used by other states.
The Attorney General for the state has argued that we don't have a responsibility to provide that.
Hill says there's no way to know how this will go. It's all in the court's hands. Parr believes kids need to be back in a classroom setting but feel safe, which is why she says she's doing this.
Nothing is guaranteed if we're masked and, but it probably, it would very likely help everybody just keep moving forward.
And we did receive a statement from the governor's office after reaching out today. It emphasized why the governor supports parental choice instead of mandates, saying in part, long-term mask use can come with its own costs. Experts have raised concerns about the potential negative impact of students' social, behavioral, and speech development.